Guys, this is Tuesday, May 26th. Hope you all had a great Memorial Day weekend. We are on lesson 39. How do we use the recursive formula? All right, so let's highlight that. So we have a sub 1, which is our first term, is equal to whatever that term may be. And then a sub n, which is the term you're looking for. A sub n minus 1 is your previous term, and then plus d is your common difference. All right, so when you see the d, that deals with arithmetic sequence, and when you see the r, it deals with geometric sequence for your common ratio, but every other part of the formula is the same. All right, so when you see recursive, you need to be thinking, what am I doing to my previous term in order to get here? All right, so let's get started. Example 1, find the recursive formula for the following sequences. All right, well, let's see. Let's look. How am I getting from -5 to 10, from 10 to -20, and so on and so forth? So if you're thinking that you are multiplying by 2, that is correct. You're multiplying by a -2. All right, because a negative times a negative will give me a positive, and I know that -5 times -2 is a positive 10. 10 times -2 is -20. -20 times -2 is a positive 40. So if I'm multiplying, then I know I'm going to be dealing with the geometric sequence for this one. All right. So my first term, where a sub 1 is -5, right? And then a sub n, the term equals a sub n minus 1. And then times the common ratio. All right. So let's see what that formula will look like. So we have the first, second, third, and fourth. So let's just say we're looking for the fifth term, right? What comes after 40? Oh, and sorry, let me erase that. This, since we know what it is, would be -2. All right, so this is what the recursive formula will look like for this um, set of sequences. Okay, so this is basically that little 5 here. So we're looking for the fifth term, the number that comes after 40. The 5 minus 1 tells me to look at the fourth term, which is 40, because 5 minus 1 is 4, so that means I'm looking at the fourth term, which is 40. Then I will have to do 40 times -2 to find the fifth term. And then technically that fifth term would be -80. All right, so this would be the setup that I chose. Okay, so I want you to take what I just did, and then I want you to answer B. All right, and then think about B. If you're not so secure with negative numbers, find out what the pattern is between 10 and 25, 25 and 40, 40 and 55. If all of these three are the same, then it's the same for this one, and then use your calculator to check. All right, but don't be afraid of that negative. Do the same thing that I did. All right, I want you to find the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth term, and then that'll give me the formula that I'm looking for part B. So this is your U try. Your first U try. Example 2. Given the explicit formula, find the recursive formula. So we're actually going to skip this page. Don't worry about that. We're moving on here. All right. So given the recursive formula, find the next three terms. All right. So my first term here for part A is 4. And I want to find out what the next three terms will be. All right. So if I'm finding the second term, I'm going to take the first term, which is 4, and I'm going to add 8 to it. So now my second term is 8 plus 4, which is 12. And now to find the third, all right, so if this is telling me 3 minus 1, so that's telling me look at my second term, which is 12. I want to write this all out for you. So whatever my second term is, add 8 to it. And this should be, sorry, this should be 7. So now my second term is 12 plus 8. So my third term is equal to 20. All right. And now my fourth term, so this should be a sub 4. I'm going to do 4 minus 1, 8. So my fourth term, I'm looking at my third term and I'm adding 8. My third term is 20. 20 plus 8 makes my fourth term 28. All right, and that's how I find the next three terms. I want you to do the same thing for part B. I want you to do the same thing for part B, except instead of adding a number, you're multiplying 2. Okay? So remember, this n minus 1 is not really a calculation. It's just to let you know which term you're looking at, right? So they gave you the first term. So to find the second term, you need to do the first term, which is 6 times 2. Then that answer times 2 again, then that answer times 2 again. And that's how you find the next three terms for part B, okay? So this is your, U try. So that's 2 U tries so far. Well, actually, that's 2 U tries, period. So lesson 39, you have 2 U tries. The one in blue right here, and the one in red right here, okay? Now, this is going to be a separate assignment. These technically 4 questions, all right, 2 questions broken into 2 parts, part A and B, 4 questions, 4 and 5. These are your homework assignment. These are your homework assignment questions. Okay, your homework assignment questions. Homework 14. This will be a separate link on Google Classroom for you to upload these 2 questions, or these 4 questions technically, to homework 14 on Google Classroom. Okay? Everything will be posted on Tuesday, lesson 39, and then it'll say homework 14. You upload the 2 questions for lesson 39, the part B's, and then for homework 14, you upload questions 4 A and B and questions 5 A and B. All right, and that is it for Tuesday. Have a great day. Stay safe. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend.